A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. ABC phonics time. Learning letters is so fine. Sing and dance from A to Z. Come and learn along with me.